My name is Doug Nespory. I am board certified in general surgery and vascular surgery. I predominantly do general surgery and robotic surgery here at Liberty Hospital. I started CrownTown General Surgery the year after the Royals won the World Series. We have had season tickets with the Royals for years, and we go just about every game, so I thought it would be appropriate to change our name to CrownTown. We offer general surgery, trauma surgery, and robotic surgery. I started surgery over 25 years ago, and at that time we were doing predominantly open procedures. I converted to laparoscopic surgery after that and had been doing that for over 20 years. Within the last 3 years, I started doing robotic laparoscopic surgery, which has been a big benefit for the patients because much less pain and recovery time is much quicker. The procedures that we do with the Vinci robot are vast. We can do hernia repair, gallbladder surgeries, colon resections, hiatal hernias. Anything we can do open, we can essentially do with the robot. The big plus from my perspective is that I can see things magnified 10 times in a three-dimensional view. So I like what I can see better, and the patients do much better because they have less pain. When I explain the robot to patients, a lot of times in their mind they're thinking of something out of Star Wars, like a C-3PO. They think there's actually a robot doing the surgery, but it's actually me doing it, and the arms that are inside the patient, the little skinny instruments we use, actually bend like my wrist does, so it's very fine detail. And I've got a manual that I'll show the patients so they have an idea what the robot looks like. I chose general surgery when I was an intern because of the vast diversity that you could do as a general surgeon. It wasn't confined to just one organ, but the entire body. The happiest thing about doing general surgery is seeing the patients come in after their procedure and they feel so much better. They've been hurting sometimes for months, and now they can walk around without pain. Outside of work, I enjoy taking care of my cows on my farm. That and baseball are the pressure releases for me. My connection to Liberty, I grew up here, and I actually was here when this hospital was built in 1974. My uncle, Dr. Thomas, was one of the founding physicians here. So I have been part of this community for a long time. One of the patients that impacted me years ago was a trauma patient. It was a young kid in a motorcycle accident, came in with head injury and pelvic fracture, and he was hurt so bad he didn't know his name, he couldn't talk, he couldn't walk, and a year later he walked into my office. And that brings tears to your eyes when that happens.